Well, good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. We're in the shed, and it is Friday, and I'm not garage sailing. I decided not to go out garage sailing today. I will go tomorrow. I just have so much stuff I haven't listed yet that it didn't feel like a good use of my time. So yeah, gonna stick around here, gonna pull some eBay orders that are going out today. Also going to pull, is this the one? It doesn't matter which one, does it? Actually, no, this was not the one though. This was the one. This is the mug that Peter won. He sent me his contact info. So this is going out today, Peter. It's gonna be the first item that I pull for shipping. Along those same lines, a lot of you are commenting on the last video to win a mug, a second mug that's gonna be given away. This one right here. And I'll do that drawing at the end of this video, just like I did last video. These other 4 are going up for sale on the website, which I'm not even gonna link because they'll be gone by the time this video is published. But I am gonna get those 4 up on the site. So yeah, let's pull some eBay orders that are going out today. Okay, the Walt Disney Classics Collection, or WDCC, figs have been doing very well so far. I actually have 3 going out today. The first order I came upon was this Captain Hook. Ooh, lights. Was this Captain Hook figure. It's pretty cool. I got $89.99 plus shipping on top for this one. These things are just so good. And I sold one from Fantasia. This one right here, big box. Loves Little Helpers, Cupids. This one's big, and if I remember correctly, the packing in this one is just crazy. Let me take a look real quick. Yeah, this one was really something. Look, it's got like, they asked me to make sure I packed it really well whenever they bought it, but I mean, you don't get any better than this. It's in the box, and then it's got like really thick foam with these really long little foam fingers, and it's inside of there. It can't move. Like, this thing is packed so well inside of its own packaging. There's really nothing else I could do to pack it better, you know, other than provide proper cushioning for the outer box. But that's really, it's not moving. There's really nothing that's going to happen to this thing. But yeah, this one sold for $79.99 plus shipping on top. Sold a deck of cards, Outer Limits cards, sold for $6.99 plus shipping on top. All right, Kate, the pencils are the new thing now, right? Kate bought 2 packs of pencils, so I'm gonna send 3. I don't mind. I got these cheap enough to where I can send a little bonus. So thank you, Kate. I appreciate your business. I hope you like the pencils. I know that sounds kind of weird, but they're actually pretty cool. The triangular shape of them feels good in the hand. But yes, thank you very much, Kate. Okay, I have one more WDCC figure to pull. It's this guy right here. This is the opening credit scroll figure for The Little Mermaid. I got $24.99 plus shipping on top for that. I think that's the last one I'm pulling today. All right, one more sale on main store. I don't know if I have any sales on the other store or not, but Erica ordered some pencils. I'm gonna give you a extra pack too, Erica, as soon as I get them out of here. There we go. So I'm sending 2 packs of pencils to Erica, and I have to remember to adjust my inventory. But thank you, Erica. Erica's in Hawaii, so these are going on a nice little trip. I wish I was going with them. So enjoy. I appreciate the order. Okay, the last thing I pulled took me a minute to find. It was in one of those cubes back there. But anyways, here it is, Time Lord for NES, original NES. Viewer named Kyle bought this game, so thank you so much, Kyle. I hope you enjoy it. I really appreciate the business, man. All right, here's all the stuff going out. That's the two bigger WDCC figs there, and then all this little small stuff. So, all right. Oh, let me print some labels. Oh, sorry, Erica, I dropped your pencils. But yeah, I'll get these labels put on, and then we'll do a few listings today. Do a little real work. And I'm working on a few listings now. These are some really cool boots I got in Tennessee. Awesome condition. Look at the soles. They're definitely used condition, but maybe worn a few times. I don't know. So this is an example of something that I'm not going to offer international shipping for, just because anything with like possible fit issues or anything, I don't want that problem. Like the shipping is going to be really expensive. I might do it to Canada, but I wouldn't do it anywhere else. Canada would be maybe acceptable though, but I'm probably just going to try it in the US. Honestly, I just don't want the return problems. Even if I put no returns and they say it's not as described, now I got a problem. So that's my choice. Some of you may feel differently about that. Well, I definitely like to buy some kooky stuff sometimes, and this is one of those. There's a clown on a swing. I kind of suspended him from this little hanger thing that I use. Sometimes I'll hang like a jacket or a shirt or something from there, but I'm just going to take photos right here just like this. I won't have the computer in the background. I paid $3 for this at a yard sale. Clown on a swing. It looks kind of vintagey, but I mean, I really don't know. It could be new. It looks vintage to me though. Nothing too fantastic. I don't even know what I'm going to ask. Not a lot. Well, relatively speaking, not a lot, I guess. I'm probably going to go for about, I'm going to see if I get 50 bucks. And if I do, great. If I don't, it doesn't really matter what I get. Maybe I go for 100 or best offer. Maybe I'll do that. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Cute little fella. All right, I got a couple listings done anyway. After looking at clown, 100 was kind of dumb. I did list them at 40. There were some comparable type clowns, but they all seemed to be smaller to me, so I went a little higher than they did. And I don't mind, like, I can wait it out, and later on, if I have to, I'll fire sale it out. It doesn't matter. But I did want to come back. I had a couple of, I haven't gone to the post office yet. Stuff's in the van, but I had somebody order some more pencils. Nanette ordered some pencils, and she also said that she just opened her eBay store. So congrats. Good luck with the eBay store, and I hope you like the pencils. I'm gonna send an extra pack. And hopefully I remember again to take these off, the extra pack off of the inventory. So thanks again, Nanette. Best of luck. All right, I'm going to pull one more order that sold today because I'm a little late headed to the post office, so why not, right? Sing Along Snails sold $59.99 plus shipping on top. Man, these WDCC things are going to make me rich. Not rich, but it was a really good deal. All right, what are we working with now? Well, this is this Kenwood KA 3700. I bought this at the Tennessee yard sale thing, Highway 127 yard sale. I got this for 10 bucks, and it's really nice condition. And I haven't tested it till now, but yeah, it works. I've got this combo unit hooked up to the aux port on the back here. And I've got a one of my favorite bands, Beastie Boys CD in here. And yeah, I'll play a little bit of it, but look, it's so simple. It's got on, off, balance, bass, treble, volume, input, loudness, off or on, and then tape, play, or source. That's it. It's so simple. But yeah, I'll play it for a few seconds anyways. I'm not gonna play too much.
The cool check center stage on the...
Whoa.
Yeah.
All right, so I've always heard that you have 7 seconds before you get demonetized. So I didn't play any of those for more than 7 seconds, so we'll see. But yeah, isn't this just the coolest? I love this look. If I was ever going to keep a piece of equipment, it would be this one. But no, I'm going to sell it. So I have a potential private buyer I'm offering it to first at a little discount. Otherwise, I'll probably put it on eBay at, I don't know, I'm thinking probably 150, and somewhere between 140 to 160 plus shipping with no best offer, and see what happens. I think I'll get it. The sales range of these, like one person sold one as is for $89.99, as is, no returns. Somebody else sold one for $209.89. Somebody else sold one for $140. Somebody else sold one for $65. So prices are like all over the place. This is a pretty good example of one, and I can like put a video with it showing it working. So yeah, I love messing with this kind of stuff. The cool thing is this unit is not that heavy. It's not crazy heavy. It's not a huge amplifier. It's not like, I don't remember how much it weighs, maybe 15 pounds or so. Man, their design back then was awesome. All right, I think I've pretty much decided I want to keep this thing at this point. I don't know. I want to keep it bad. It's so nice. I need to sell it. I don't need to keep anything. Golly. Oh man, I want to keep it. It's so cool. I'm not. Oh, hey, anyways, that's a struggle we deal with, right? So this is the one that I'm actually going to, oh, I got more mug business, right? This is the one I'm actually putting up on auction. So here it is. Look at this fine photography, y'all. Check that out. Look at that. That's great, huh? It's going up on auction. It's going to be live 2 hours from right now. It's 5 p.m. here, local time. And I set it to go off at 5 o'clock Pacific, which is 2 hours from right now. So yeah, that's it, y'all. That one is up. Oh, I got to do a drawing. Let's do a drawing. All right, same thing as yesterday. This is the video from yesterday. It's got 864 comments. And then I'm going to paste it here. Filter duplicate users, get YouTube comments. Now remember, if I pick a comment and we look at the comment and it does not have the word mug in some form or fashion in the comment, then we're going to go to the next comment. Because that's how I figure, oh look, amount of unique commenters, 822. All right. So let's get a winner. Good luck, everyone that entered. Who will it be? It is Gopher Blue. And he said, he or she said, mug me please, Garage Flips. So yeah, you will get mugged. You're going to get mugged. Congratulations. Send an email to the email address down below and I will get in touch with you. Give me your address too, if you don't mind. And I'm gonna do some more of these, probably not out of this batch, just because they're so, I don't have very many. I actually sold these 4 earlier, and then I'm gonna hang on to these for a little bit anyways. Might do something with them later, but I am planning, I like the giveaway thing. I might do like an exclusive round of mugs, probably a couple months from now, that are just giveaway. You can't buy it, you can only win it, and maybe do one a week or something like that. Oh, it's something for fun. But yeah, thanks for everybody that participated in these 2 giveaways. I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'm not sure if I'm going garage sailing or not. I don't know. I feel like sleeping late. We'll see what happens. But hope y'all enjoy the video. I'll see y'all again tomorrow probably. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.